it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
To give a business time. You have to be in business for some time. Well, that's not to say that you can't start making some traction early, but it is saying that if you get frustrated because your business isn't absolutely exploding 2 days after you opened it, then you're the one that really has the issue. Every single aspect of your business takes time. Your customers need to learn who you are. Your marketing system needs to catch up. Everything that has to do with online marketing, one of the aspects that is used in the algorithm is time. How long have you been on the site? How long have you been in business? How long have you been posting posts? How long have you been, performing your business? So that being said, that it would also kind of be crossover into the fact that your business has to also take its time as it grows. Again, I'm not belittling any ambitions on super growth quick. I think that steady growth and growth at a rate that you can handle is important. In my business, if I grow too quickly, I don't have the labor to do the job, so I start doing the job poorly. I don't have the materials to do the job. I don't have the equipment to do the job. So what happens is that, you know, I provide a service that is substandard to the customers, and it reflects poorly on my business.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Now, I have a saying that I use quite often, especially with my employees, and that is that if you dig a ditch long enough, two things are going to happen. First and foremost, you're going to learn how to dig a ditch really well. And the reason why that is because anytime you do something repetitively, you learn the tricks that it takes to make it easier on you, to make it more efficient, to make it to where you don't have to come back and redo the job, doubling up on the work. So you're going to get good at digging a ditch if you do it for long enough. And then the second thing is that you're going to learn how to make money at digging ditches, because you're going to learn that that you got to feed your family, you got to support your business, you got to support your employees, pay your taxes. So those two things come out of it, and time is the one element that allows those things to occur if you do it long enough. Then So you can grow a 10-year business in 2 years now, but you gotta grow it in 2 years. You can't grow it in 2 days. I started my business in 2005. We did parties for children. We're doing parties for their children now. So I call it, we're in the grandchildren phase. So it's good. It's good. It's, you know, people can remember me from their childhood, and they had an experience, and they want that experience to be passed on to their kids. That means a lot. It means a whole lot. So give your business time. It's important. It's important for you. It's important for your employees. It's important for your customers. And utilize your time to get good at your business, not just grow. Get good at it. Dig that ditch, the best ditch that can be out there, and then you'll learn how to make the money.